In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change headers in Softr pages. By the end, you'll feel confident updating your site's header so it reflects your brand and helps visitors navigate smoothly. Start by opening your Softr app in the editor. This is where you'll see your page layout and all the blocks you can work with. If you're editing an existing site, give the editor a moment to load everything so you can clearly see what's on your page. Next, head to the Pages menu and pick the page where you want to update the header. Choosing the specific page first is helpful because you'll see exactly how your changes look in context, with the real content and background you're using on that page. Now, click into the header or navigation block at the very top of the page. This is the area that typically includes your logo or site title and your navigation links. When you select it, you'll notice the Content or Settings panel appear on the side. This panel is your control center for everything visible in the header. Inside the Content or Settings panel, you can start by changing your logo or site title. If you're using a logo, choose a clean, high-resolution image that looks sharp at the size you're displaying it. If you prefer a text title instead, update the site name to match your brand exactly. Keep it short and readable so it looks good alongside your navigation. Next, adjust your menu link text. Click each link label and rename it to something clear and descriptive, like Home, About, or Contact. Short, consistent labels help visitors immediately understand where each link leads. You can add or remove links as your site evolves. Add a link when you introduce a new page or section, and remove links that are no longer needed to avoid clutter. Keeping your navigation focused makes it easier for visitors to find what matters. Finally, change what page each link points to. For internal links, select the correct page from your site so the connection is reliable. For external destinations, make sure the URL is accurate and complete. It's a good practice to double-check each link in the editor preview so you know everything routes correctly. As you make updates, you'll see changes reflected right away in the editor, which makes fine-tuning fast and visual. That's all you need to update your header's visible content in Softr: logo or title, link labels, the number of links, and where each one goes. Keep it clean, on brand, and easy to navigate, and your visitors will thank you.